Hey, hi there. A few days ago, we watched an interview with Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan on the Al Mukabala channel. Of course, on the same channel in other programs, the current transitional president of Syria appeared from the days when he was leading that front, who used to say that the clatter of their battles and the clatter of their swords could be heard in Jerusalem. And after he made his pledge, as we all know, these are the plays we have become accustomed to watching on that particular channel. And during the recent interview with Recep Tayyip Erdogan, he made major pledges to, defend, help, and support the temporary regime in Syria. And all this talk that is familiar in Recep Tayyip Erdogan's speeches, but the tone of voice was stronger.